Alam mo, pinalaki ko yung mga anak ko na kahit sino sa kanilang dalawa ay kayang-kayang patakbuhin itong Godong Hay Group of Company. Alam mo, si Kimi o si Dora, wala kang itulak kabigin sa dalawang yun. Alam mo naman sa dugo namin, dugong Godong Hay, trained yung mga yan. Of course, iba-iba ang style. Ang Kimi, ang style niya is, you might say, mabilis, effective, pero yung Dora naman you might say, may puso, warm. No style is better, ha? Walang pagalingan dito. Kahit sino sa kanila, pwedeng pumalit sa akin. One of these days, isa sa kanila, ang papalit sa akin. Godong Hay Corporation.
Succession Watch, the final installment of the Kimi and Dora Godong Hay Special News Report. Today, as promised, we are finally talking to the most controversial billionaire heiresses in the world. Twins, Kimi Godong Hay and Dora Godong Hay. Let us talk to them.
Have you heard of the Succession Watch?
The what?
The Succession Watch.
Oh, yung lumabas sa YouTube? About Godong Hay? Wala, nagsasayang lang kayo ng panahon na nagpo-post pa kayo ng mga ganong klaseng issue. Wala namang issue eh. Ako dapat, di ba? Ako lang ang nakakaintindi ng kumpanya. Ako lang ang may mga plano. Ako lang ang uma-attend ng board meeting. Ako ang pumipirma. Kaya successful ang mga companies dahil nandun ako. Kaya ako dapat.
Kaya niyo po ba yun na mag-succeed sa father niyo?
Yes, try until you succeed.
Ano po yung plano niyo for the company if ever kayo po?
Magkakaroon kami ng initial public offering. Magkakaroon kami ng grand launch. Animal products. Mickey as the commercial model. Love for animals, even cockroaches.
Message niyo para kay Dora?
Dora, wala ka namang naiintindihan. So tumabi-tabi ka na lang. Pwede. Ate Kimi, you know I believe in you. Kaya mo yan. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Kasi kambal tayo eh. Tsaka ate, huwag kang tatawid, nakamamatay.
Hindi niyo ba mahal si Dora?
Anytime that you need my help and Mickey's help, we're always available, ate, because we really, really love you. Busy kasi ako eh. So, yung ganyang mga bagay, I don't think about it anymore. And we really care for you. And you're very beautiful. It's just a waste of time. I mean, there's family, of course. I love you, ate. I love you, daddy. I just think of my dad, his health, our company. That's all. Okay?
After this interview, the Succession Watch team was informed that due to insistent public demand, Mr. Luisito Godong Hay has finally named a date. On September 2, 2009, the nation will hear his verdict. Mark your calendars. September 2, 2009. Again, September 2, SEPTEMPER 2. September 2, 2009. Be one with the Philippines. Be one with the world. And watch the thrilling conclusion to this monumental battle. September 2, 2009, Kimi Dora. September 2, 2009.